In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the System.io white label, also known as Reseller feature. For those who don't know, this feature allows you to white label their software and sell it under your own brand or as your own SaaS. In other words, you can now resell System.io under your own brand on your own domain and manage your clients in a fully rebranded experience. And all the profit from your members goes entirely to you. Before we start, I want to mention that white label feature is available on all plans. The way it works is startup users can resell the startup plan, webinar users can resell the startup and webinar plans, and unlimited users can resell all three, startup, webinar, and unlimited plan. But let's start from the beginning. So I'm here on the System.io dashboard. The first thing you need to do is activate the white label feature. To do that, go to the dashboard, then choose Reseller dashboard. Once you are in, you'll see an Activate White Label button. When you press this button, a pop-up will appear where you need to select your domain, which you previously linked to your System.io account, and click Save. If you haven't connected a domain yet, I leave the link below this video showing how to do that in just a few minutes. Once it's activated, you should see a page with a user management panel. Right now, I don't have any users yet, so mine looks pretty empty. Now, on the left side, click on White Label Settings, and this is where the main configuration happens. The first thing you need to do is enter your business name. That should be your company name, which will be used for transactional emails. Next, you need to configure DNS records, and I know this part can sound intimidating, but it's actually pretty simple. To do that, you'll need to copy this data and add it to your domain registrar's DNS settings. So, copy the first value in the name field and go to your domain registrar. In my case, I'm using Dynadot, so here's how it works for me. If you're using something else, the process should be very similar. Go to your domain management panel, select your domain, then go to DNS settings and paste what you copied in the subdomain field. Now here's a small thing. Dynadot automatically appends your domain name to the end of whatever you type there. So you only need to leave the asterisk character here. If you're using a different domain registrar, you may need to paste the full value here, but this may vary depending on the registrar. Then in the record type field, select CNAME. Go back to System.io and copy what's in the target field. Return to Dynadot, paste that into the destination field and click Save. Now one thing to keep in mind. DNS records can take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours to update. Usually it's pretty quick, but just be patient. Next, you need to select the email address that will be used to send emails to your white label users. I'd recommend verifying your email before you get to this step, and you can find out how to do that in my another video tutorial. I'll leave a link below this video. Finally, you have to configure your brand appearance. In this section, you can choose your brand colors, upload your logo, and upload a favicon. I played around with these settings a bit, and here's how it looks for me. This is what your users are going to see, so make it look like a real product. Now go back to the left side menu and click on Price Plans. In the window that opens, you'll be able to edit your pricing plans. As you can see, when you activate the white label feature, a default English price plan is immediately activated. But here's an important rule. Your pricing plans cannot be lower than the official System.io pricing plans. They do this so you don't undercut the original product, what makes sense in this case. Now, if you want to add a pricing plan for a different country or language, click the Add New Language button, pick your language, and press Add. Once you've added the language, you can choose which currency you want to use. But keep in mind that you need to have a payment method that supports the currency, otherwise it's not going to work. To customize a plan, click the Edit button next to the plan you want to change. In the window that opens, you can adjust the plan names, set your own prices, configure the tax behavior, add access to resources like courses or other products, and set up upgrade and thank you pages. Once you are happy with it, press Save. Go back to pricing settings and do the same for your other plans. Once your pricing is set, you need to configure your public pages. To do that, again, go to the menu on the left and click Public Pages. This is going to take you to the System.io page builder. When the white label feature is activated, System.io automatically creates a bunch of pages for you, like Home page, About Us, Pricing page, Contact Us, and so on. You just need to edit them and adjust everything to match your brand and design. If you want to add a page that wasn't created automatically, on the left side, click this plus button. In the window that opens, enter the page name, choose whether you want to add it to the header menu automatically, and press save. With this option, you can also adjust all your pages for each language separately. When you are done editing, press save and then press exit. Okay, now comes the fun part. How does selling accounts work? In order to sell accounts, first you need to create an opt-in funnel that will help you register new users. To do this, you have to go to the Site section, then click on Sales Funnels. In the window that opens, click the Create button and a new funnel configuration pop-up will appear. Here you have to enter the funnel name, choose the domain assigned to this funnel, then select Build an Audience, decide which currency you'll use, and click Save. On the funnel configuration page, choose an opt-in funnel template that you like and customize it to fit your needs. Then go to the Automation Rules section. Here, click the Add Rule button. In the pop-up that opens, click on Trigger, select the funnel step for Subscribe, and in the Action section, choose Create a new white label user and select which language it will apply to. Then click Save. To check how sub-accounts work, open the opt-in page you created, enter any email address, and click the Submit button. Note that this email must not be associated with any existing System.io account. The new user should receive a confirmation email with a link. When they click on it, they'll be taken to a registration form. After entering their details and pressing save, a new account will be created and they will be redirected to your branded dashboard. If they want to upgrade, they have to go to Settings and click My Plan. In the window that opens, they can choose the plan they want and upgrade their account. Meanwhile, in the Reseller dashboard under White Label Users, you'll see all your users listed there with their personal details. If you click on the three dots next to any user and select Impersonate, you'll be taken directly into their dashboard where you can see and configure everything exactly the same as your users would see. This allows you to provide proper support and assist them with account setup. That's how the System.io white label, also known as the Reseller feature, works. Once everything is set up, you've got a fully branded SaaS product ready to sell. You are using System.io's infrastructure, but your users see your brand, and you keep 100% of what they pay you. So, good luck with your new SaaS business.